Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen mask. First, locate your oxygen mask and the clear tubing that connects it. Make sure your oxygen source, like a portable tank or wall outlet, is nearby and ready for use. Before proceeding, take a moment to visually inspect the mask itself for any tears, holes, or obstructions that might hinder proper oxygen delivery. This initial check ensures everything is in good working order. Now, connect one end of the oxygen tubing firmly to the oxygen source's outlet port. Next, carefully place the mask over your face, ensuring it covers both your nose and mouth completely. Then, take the elastic strap and gently pull it over your head, adjusting it so the mask fits snugly but comfortably. It should create a good seal without feeling too tight or causing discomfort. With the mask in place, it is crucial to set the oxygen flow rate exactly as prescribed by your medical professional. This is often measured in liters per minute. After setting the rate, visually confirm that oxygen is flowing through the tubing and into the mask, perhaps by feeling a gentle breeze or observing a flow indicator. Continuously monitor the person wearing the mask to ensure they remain comfortable and the mask stays correctly positioned. Finally, always ensure that the oxygen supply remains continuous and uninterrupted for effective therapy. Regularly clean the mask and tubing according to manufacturer guidelines to maintain good hygiene and prevent potential issues. If you have any questions about the setup, flow rate, or the patient's response, do not hesitate to consult a healthcare professional immediately for guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.